Happy New Year, Earnest customers. I'm Kirk Zehnder, President and CEO of Earnest Machine. The start of a new year means it's time for New Year's resolutions, and here at Earnest, we're resolved to push ourselves to new heights. We have goals to become more innovative, purpose-driven, and customer-centric than ever, and we want to invite you to join us for this journey. We believe that our business can and should be a force for good in the world, and that there's more to doing business than making a profit. That means we operate in a way that prioritizes doing the right thing by our values, our employees, and you, our customers. Here are some of the ways we're challenging ourselves to become a more responsible company in 2022. First, we're giving to those in need. 8 years ago, we committed to raising money for building water wells in Africa. We challenged the industry to join us with our successful Drop in a Bucket campaign. In 2022, we're getting even more serious about this goal by introducing a new product line and donating a percentage of sales to the initiative. Stay tuned to our email updates to learn how you can give to those in need just by buying fasteners for your business. In addition to giving back, we also value our team. We operate in a way that makes sure all employees have the opportunity to feel seen and heard, and we make sure all our team members are working to their strengths. We're excited to share more details on how we're breaking convention and corporate bureaucracy in everything we do. We're also embracing change and pushing ourselves to new heights, looking for ways we can become more modern, more innovative, and more purpose-driven. We're looking forward to sharing more about all the concrete ways our business has adopted this philosophy. This year, we're excited to share our brand story with you and give you a front row seat to all the initiatives we have planned. We hope the content we provide throughout the year will challenge you and inspire you to implement initiatives like these in your own organizations. But we want to hear from you, so let's start a conversation about how you are driving change in 2022 by leaving us a comment below. I wish you joy, hope, and love in 2022. Thank you.